Hi, you guys. I am in the backyard of our neighbor, Gary and Mandy's house. And I got to tell you, Donna and I are so excited to be able to tell you what we're about to do for our wonderful neighbors. They are out of town, and we happen to know that they don't like a little bit of their landscaping. So you'll see behind me this beautiful Palo Verde tree. They cannot stand it. So this weekend, we're gonna have it pulled out. We're gonna put it in our yard because we really like it. It provides a lot of shade. We're gonna have it pulled out and put right next door in our yard, and that's our big surprise for them. And in its place, we're going to plant a fan palm.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars.
Hi everyone. First of all, that's a joke. Gary and Mandy have one of the most beautiful backyards around, and Donna and I truly enjoy it. And if you notice, a lot of our videos are shot in the direction of their yard because it is so pretty. And no, we're not having their tree pulled out. I just did that kind of as a joke for them. But I do need to tell you something. Today, Donna and I try not to harp on this because you know what, it's not really what YouTube is about for us, but today we hit 250 subscribers. And I gotta tell you, it's very rewarding for us. We do this as a hobby because we enjoy it, doing something together as a couple. It has truly been a wonderful hobby. We have 80 plus episodes. That's 80 weeks that we have done this, and we have put content together, and we do it for the hobby part. But I gotta tell you, it is so rewarding for us when we have subscribers adding to our channel and joining our community. And the feedback and the comments we have been getting has been absolutely wonderful. We get comments on Facebook, but we also get comments on YouTube. And that kind of engagement is what it's all about for us. What we would really love is if you guys start talking to each other on our YouTube comment page and giving each other ideas, because that's what it's about, is exploring, expanding, and evolving, right? So we need you to help us do that. But thank you so much for joining our channel. This week's video you're about to see is a little bit short. It isn't the most expansive content we've ever done. Donna and I are about to take a wonderful trip together for her birthday, and we're gonna show you that whole trip on our upcoming videos. So again, thank you to all of our subscribers. You are making our hobby worth it, and we appreciate that, and we appreciate you.
Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Hey listen, I just wanted to tell you guys that we really appreciate you being here. And if you're new to our channel, I'm Donna and Carl is my husband. We live in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are an RV channel, and we try to share our adventures with you guys. Welcome. I'm glad to have you along for the ride. This morning, I am at one of our community pools. We live in an age-restricted community, and we're loving it. We've only been up here for about 8 months, 9 months, and we weren't too sure. Well, I should say, Carl wasn't too sure this was something that was gonna make him happy, but he's loving it. We are both loving it. And I've actually taken a job, a part-time job, working at the pool over the summer, and it's been lovely. We have 5 community pools. We have 4 golf courses. We have all kinds of classes. It's a very active lifestyle type of community. And it's a Sun City here in Las Vegas. And you know what? Our HOA dues are comparatively inexpensive for all the amenities that we get. And maybe it's not for everybody. If it's something you guys have ever been considering, or if you're at that point in your lives where you're looking for an adult community, right? This is age 55 and older. I can't say enough wonderful things about it. You know, for those, for a little over $100 a month, I take dance classes, there's yoga and We have tennis courts and pickleball courts and lots of teams and groups of people and clubs. We belong to the RV club. We're really taking advantage. I think there's 4 restaurants, shows. We have $20 tickets to, we just recently saw a tribute Garth Brooks show that was awesome. We have movies, there's comedians. It's been great. We're really loving it. And I just wanted to share that with you guys and let you know that, you know, this is where we are. This is what we're doing. We didn't get a chance to get out. We had 2 trips planned in July and August. Both of those we've had to postpone because Carl's work has been ramping up like crazy. So he's had to, you know, stay close and do more. But listen, Thursday's my birthday, and we've got a big surprise planned for you guys. And I hope you get to come along and check out what we're doing. Hi guys. Today I thought I might share a quick campfire recipe with you all. I am making the really jalapeno poppers. And listen, you guys, super easy, and you can make them at the campsite. You can make them in your oven at home. We're getting ready for football season again and camping in the fall and everything. So I just really wanted to share this quick recipe for you. So what I've done here is I've taken some jalapeno peppers, fresh ones, sliced them in half, and just use a spoon to dig out all of the seeds and the veins in the poppers. That's where all the heat is. Of course, if you want the heat, you can leave it all in there, but be really careful when you're handling jalapenos. Really spicy, it gets on your hands and you rub your eyes, bad idea. So make sure you stay very neat and tight when you're working with the jalapenos, right? I'm gonna stuff these jalapenos today with a cream cheese dip, little smokies, and then we're gonna wrap them in bacon and put them in, actually I'm gonna cook them today in the air fryer. But again, you can do these on your grill, in your smoker, however you want, anywhere you want. Super easy. So this particular stuffing today, this is Hidden Valley Ranch pizza dip. If you can't find this in your area, you can absolutely stuff these with anything you like. Mix a little cayenne pepper with some cream cheese, or if you don't want them that spicy, straight cream cheese mixed with a little Monterey Jack cheese shredded would be really good. Any kind of cheese. You could even put a strip of string cheese in these, the cheddar or the regular mozzarella string cheese in these would be great. So once you get your pepper stuffed, and you can see how easy that was, I'm gonna put a little smoky on top. I'm gonna mush it down into the cream cheese, right? And then a piece of bacon. And we're just gonna take this bacon, we're gonna wrap it around the jalapeno, and I'm gonna secure it with a couple of toothpicks. Now, main thing is, I kind of try to stay consistent. I either use 2 toothpicks or 1 toothpick on all of these. That way when they come out, I know how many toothpicks I have in there. Don't want anybody to get a toothpick stuck, right? All right, so that's it. Stuffed with bacon, and we're gonna put them in the air fryer. I'm gonna do them at 400 degrees, probably for about 30 minutes. You could also do them in the smoker, 225 degrees to 2 to 3 hours, or in your oven, 425, again about 30 minutes. What you want is you want that bacon to be nice and crispy, you want the jalapeno to be tender and roasted, and you want your cheese to be all hot and bubbly. All right, we'll see you guys back here in just a minute. Okay, real quick, forgot to mention, I'm gonna put a little rub on top of the popper. You can use anything you like. This is a chipotle spice rub that I'm using on these. You could just do brown sugar if you don't want any spice, or any kind of steak rub, barbecue rub you've got in your pantry will work. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share the video so, you know, the more the merrier. We're up to 250 subscribers, which just, oh, it warms both of us' hearts and makes us so pleased and so happy to share our adventures with you guys. And we're happy you guys are along for the ride. So stay tuned.